Hey there, accounting students. Let's talk about something super important for any business, current assets. Now don't zone out on me because this is going to be quick and super useful. So, what's a current asset? Simply put, these are resources a business can quickly turn into cash or use within a year to keep things running smoothly. Think of them like your business's quick cash stash. First up, we've got cash. This is the money the business already has, either in its bank account or in hand. It's the most liquid asset because, well, it's already cash. For example, if a coffee shop has $1,000 in its cash register, that's a current asset. Easy, right? Next, inventory. This includes goods the business has for sale or materials to make products. Since inventory will likely be sold within a year, it's a current asset. Imagine a clothing store with a stock of shirts, dresses, and shoes. They plan to sell these within the year. Boom! Current asset. Then there's accounts receivable. This is the money customers owe for products or services they've already received but haven't paid for yet. The business expects to collect this money soon, usually within 30 to 90 days. For instance, if a customer buys a refrigerator for $500 and agrees to pay in 30 days, that $500 is the store's accounts receivable. Finally, prepaid expenses. This is money already paid for something the business will receive in the future, like insurance or rent. Since the benefit will be used up within a year, it's considered a current asset. Think about a company paying $1,200 for a year of insurance. That $1,200 is a prepaid expense because the insurance coverage lasts over the next 12 months. So why are current assets so important? They give a business the liquidity it needs to cover short-term debts and expenses. Need to pay rent, wages, or buy more inventory? Current assets to the rescue, and there you have it. Current assets, keeping your business running smoothly. Until next time, keep crunching those numbers. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the Accounting Simplified channel.